Today on Unbox Daily, we are expanding our Integrity Toys collection with a new doll from the Industry Lovesick collection. The box is gray with metallic silver lines. It says the Industry at the bottom. When you turn it to the side, it's all gray and says Integrity Toys at the bottom. On the back, it says the Industry by Integrity Toys limited edition high fashion doll. This is an adult collector doll and it says for collectors 15 and up only. Priced at $130. Wow! I bought it from a website called cherishedfriends.com. It is an authorized dealer for Integrity Toys. Okay, enough looking at the outside of the box. Let's see what's inside. Color Clash Alysa. I hope I'm saying that right. I've seen many different ways to pronounce her name. I usually see Alysa spelled with 2 S's. This one only has 1, but I did go online and Googled it and people said it's still Alysa, whether it's 1 S or 2. Then some people said it was Alysa, so yeah. I'm just gonna go with Alysa, and I do apologize if that's incorrect. Let's remove the picture to reveal the doll. Remember, this is an adult collector doll, so we need to unbox very carefully. I'm taking the pink box out of the gray box, and we just found our certificate of authenticity. She is number 331 out of 725, so wow, these are pretty small runs. Pull the ribbons on the back. I like how they use ribbons. That's pretty fancy. Unwrap the base for the doll stand. It says the Industry on it. Remove the doll from the box, along with the pole for the doll stand. Remove the hairnet and say hello to our new doll. My online research says that this doll was released in 2018. She has a very dramatic look with pink eyeshadow and pink lipstick, curly blonde hair. It does have some product in it, blue nail polish, blue toenails. She wears a shiny metallic pink dress with a black collar, a black and gold bow. There's a little brooch at the top. It's got pearls, white and pink gems. There are ruffles on the top of the dress, puff sleeves, and ruffles along the bottom. The dress closes with hooks in the back, and yes folks, this dress is completely lined. She wears orange fishnet stockings, comes with a faux fur coat that is also lined. It has a blue collar, 2 faux buttons in the front, and it closes with hooks. I can remove her hands so it's easier to put on the coat. It's kind of a snug fit with the dress, the puff sleeves, all the lining, but we totally did it. I just noticed she has a very subtle cleft chin. Wow, she's a very pretty doll. And she comes with accessories. This is where we will most likely find her shoes, extra hands, a really nice purse, and some earrings, hair clips, and I think that might be a ring. A tiny ring! Whoa, look at all of the detail on these little tiny blue metallic shoes. There is a buckle. They are sewn up the back, got a big chunky heel. When you look inside, they have the nerve to have an insert. Seriously! Orange tights and blue shoes. Super colorful. The extra set of hands are kind of curled. I am looking at this purse and I think it has a real zipper. Seriously, this little tiny purse. Does it have a zipper? Okay, I'm gonna open it up. First of all, it's like a faux animal skin here, and there's a little tiny owl on the front, a circular handle, and when we open it, what is that? Is it a zipper? It's a zipper. Are you serious? Can I open it? Can I open the little zipper? I can, but I'm afraid I'm gonna break it, so I'm gonna stop. And I'm just gonna be really happy that it's there and never ever use it. This little hand can hold the purse, so I'm gonna switch them out. Haha, that is so cool. Okay, so for now on, all dolls should come with multiple hands, because that's just awesome. Time for a little jewelry. Got some gold hoops here. It's kind of difficult to get the earrings in, so I'm using a needle to pierce her ear. Now I should be able to get the earring in. I like that these are metal. That is so cool. And she looks fabulous. I'm a big fan of hoop earrings, y'all. Big fan. And of these tiny rings. It's a butterfly, and it looks so cute on her little hand. Look at all the details. You can see the little tiny veins in the butterfly's wings. Wow. If you thought the ring was cool, check out this teeny tiny brat. It's gold colored with little orange, pink, and blue gems. The little latch really works and it opens. What? So you can really clip it into her hair. This doll's outfit has a lot of different colors. Orange, blue, hot pink, and yeah, the animal print. I can appreciate all of the detailed work that goes into making these clothes. However, I tend to dress my dolls a little more casual, so we're gonna have to come up with an outfit for her later. But right now, today, let's give her a new name. I'm thinking Sabrina. Yeah, she totally looks like a Sabrina to me. Hi everyone, I'm Sabrina. Here are 3 things I bet you didn't know about me. I love animals. I'm all about saving the environment, and I'm most comfortable when I'm casual. Which is exactly why we need to make her some new clothes real soon. But until then, you better rock that faux fur, Sabrina. She is fully articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, feels like upper torso, hip, and knee. She seems a tiny bit shorter than the doll we call Summer and has those delicate eyelashes. Overall, I am very happy to add her to my growing collection. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Industry Lovesick Collection Color Clash Alysa number 88011. Priced at $130. Let us know in the comments down below if it's a buy or a pass. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.